I've wanted to eat this crispy strawberry butter cake for a day or two, and it's almost the easiest cake I've ever made. It's as simple as breathing. The cake embryo bought in the supermarket divided it into 3 slices. When I was cutting the cake, I suddenly thought that I've never experienced what Skinny said about the loss of appetite. All the cake shells should be thrown away, melt a little chocolate with warm water, and then wrap evenly in this shell. The chocolate solidifies very quickly in winter. Put it in the refrigerator and assemble it directly in this chocolate shell. 1 layer of cake and 1 layer. Fill the gap between strawberries with cream. I feel like this cake scene. I've appeared many times in my childhood dream. Put the last layer of cake and pat it flat and compact it. Finally, use a plate and then turn it upside down. After the cake is ready, it should be refreshed. I can't wait. Garpet with the remaining cream and strawberries. Who knows, sisters? It's really beautiful on my Starbucks. Randomly capture an audience with a group of surname.